Glamorous and Style Awards?
I think really excited because Filmfare, it's their first year, so we should really push them because I think this award is going to go a long way ahead.
How important is for a person to be stylish and glamorous?
I think आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा stressed है on being stylish and on being glamorous but I think at the end of the day clothes ये define नहीं करते, आपकी personality define नहीं करते, आप क्या हो as a person. At the end of the day वो सिर्फ clothes है, वो ये नहीं define करते कि आप क्या हो as a person.
But if personally you get a chance to choose one out of two, one would be glamorous, second would be stylish. Personally, what would you do?
Glamorous also. I think both maybe being glamorous and stylish.
तो यारियां 2 बन रही है सब लोग tell us something like यारियां.
I don't know यारियां 2 बन रही है कि नहीं. I'm just making my second film Sanamre right now.
What are your holy plans?
Holy plans, I think to sleep through the morning.
What are your wishes for the viewers here?
A very very happy Holi to all the viewers. Thank you.
ये पहले करें
पहले एक लगा.
Hi, good evening everyone.
Yeah. Excited for the evening, Imran?
Very excited tonight, yeah. I'm a little nervous. My daughter has not been feeling too well, so I didn't want to come out, but क्या करें?
But Imran, how important is for a person to be stylish and glamorous?
Yeah, I think that if you go out and you're meeting people, the least you can do is look presentable.
But what about the external beauty that would be through communication apart from being?
Of course, I think it's very important. It shows respect for people when you go out to meet them that you dress decently. You have a bath, you brush your teeth, वगैरह.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one would be glamorous, second would be stylish. What would you personally do?
I think style. Because yeah, glamour is one of those things which I think people get a little carried away with. Style is your personal statement. It's who you are. It's an extension of your personality.
But Imran, I would like to ask you a question, and you yourself would be able to clarify that question because there were reports that tabloids and newspapers were printing that your Ferrari is taking too much of noise and that has created too much of nuisance all around your neighborhood.
यार रात के 12 बजे तक मैं सो जाता हूँ. मेरी 8 महीने की बेटी है. I don't have the time to be sitting around in the middle of the night.
Enjoying being fatherhood.
I'm really having so much fun with it now. The first couple of months are obviously very difficult. Once she gets to the 5-month, 6-month age, that's where they become a lot more fun.
But Imran, your fans also been eagerly waiting for you, saying that हाँ Imran अभी कुछ धमाका करेंगे, Imran कुछ धमाका करेंगे.
अरे यार मैं शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ. पिक्चर खत्म करके ही रिलीज करेंगे. I promise.
But there is something about that, please.
Right now we're almost done with the film. We've got about 20-25 days of shooting left. I think April तक पिक्चर खत्म हो जाएगी. September में रिलीज हो रही है. I'm having so much fun on this film because I'm working with Kangana for the first time and she's just so wonderful to work with. मैं निखिल अडवाणी के साथ पहली बार काम कर रहा हूँ. He is a great actor, director. So I'm really having a very positive experience on this film.
But Imran, personally, how do you deal with the situation where things have been published or rumors have been published as factual information? So how do you react on a situation?
यार मैं पढ़ता ही नहीं हूँ. अब आप अगर इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, if you're an actor, if you're a producer, anyway, if you're in this kind of a business, you know that people will write things, people will say things. आप उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे सकते हैं. I don't have the time to give any attention there.
So last but not the least, any holy plans you have this year?
Holy plans, yeah, it's Imara's first Holi, so I'm really looking forward to that. I think it's going to be so much fun to have her there. थोड़ी बहुत rangoli, little bit of water balloons and all. We'll get to play with her and introduce her to a family tradition. I'm so excited about that.
What is your wishes here for the future?
कौन से wishes? Holi? Hi, मैं हूँ इमरान खान. क्या हुआ? अच्छा आप ही कैमरा को दूँ. इनका क्या होगा? हाय मैं हूँ इमरान खान और मेरी तरफ से आप सबको हैप्पी होली. थैंक यू.
आदित्य हाँ जी. हाँ. Still on Imran. We'll just wait for the concept to finish.
So excited for the evening tonight.
Absolutely, very excited for the evening.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
How's it, sorry?
How important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Well, I think that depends on the personality. Style is also a very personality-dependent thing. So, very important things, glamour and style, especially in the line of work we're in. But it should all come down to who you are as a person and how you like to identify as yourself.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. What would you personally?
I think definitely stylish.
Why?
Yeah. I think stylish because again it's my own identity. Glamour is not an identity. Glamour is a tag that's already given to somebody. But style is your own style. You know, I've got my style. Imran has his own style. Somebody, a third person has his own style.
So one more criteria, if you talk about being comfortable or being, trendy, what would you prefer?
I think comfortable for sure. I think it's important to be comfortable and trendy. You can't have one without the other. But I would definitely choose comfort over trend for sure.
Any holy plans you have?
Sorry?
Holy plans?
Holy plans. Just meet some friends, meet some family, have a good time. That's about it.
Lastly, the wishes for the viewers.
Wish you all a very happy Holi and hope you enjoy this Filmfare event.
Thank you so much. Are you excited? It's a glamorous style awards. First time again. How excited are you?
I think I'm quite excited about it, and I think congratulations to Jitesh, Anuradha, and the entire team of Filmfare that they've again come out with something spectacular and very, very prestigious as always. Like Filmfare is always associated with prestige. So once again, in style, again, I think they're going to have the most prestigious awards.
So, but personally, how important is for a person to be fashionable or be stylish or be glamorous or trendy?
But I think we're all in the fashion industry. We're all in the entertainment industry. So fashion and style goes hand in hand with the entertainment industry. So of course, it's very important.
So, but if you get a chance to choose one out of two, being stylish or being comfortable or being trendy, what would you personally choose?
If I was given a chance to be an option to be stylish, trendy, or comfortable, I wish I could pick all three, and I think you can manage all three. yeah, of course you can.
But even the fans are always eager to know that what's next and been doing it. So tell us something about your upcoming line of projects.
My next film is Fir Se, in which I'm debuting as an actor this time. So, well, that's next.
So you'll be debuting the actor?
Yes.
Only the holy wishes for the viewers.
Sorry?
Holy wishes. Any plans you have?
Okay, although I'm dressed very differently, but happy Holi to everybody.
सबसे पहले तो फिल्म फेयर के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमर कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे
Style and glamour, how would I define it? It depends on what you're comfortable in and what you're comfortable wearing in your own style. That's what style and glamour is for me.
Today you are looking stylish, so tell us about your clothes.
I'm wearing a Harsh dress and the jewelry is my own.
Your sister is also here. How excited for you the evening tonight? Because the glamorous and stylish, how important for a person also? Would you like to know that?
Well, I'm excited to be here, and your other question was how important is style and glamour? Well, it does help you define yourself, but not to a large extent, I feel, because your personality does that for you. So, yeah.
What changes did you come to your day-to-day life after Shumita? Would you like to know that also?
I've grown as a person. I've definitely discovered what kind of actor I can be, and it's helped define me as, to an extent, to what actor I can be. Yeah.
Any holy plans you have, sister?
Yes, if I'm not shooting, then I'm definitely going to play Holi.
What are the wishes here for the viewers?
Here's wishing everyone a happy Holi. How are you?
Very good, very good. कैसा है?
Excited for the evening, first year Glamour and Style Awards, Filmfare निकाल रहे हैं आज, first year. How excited are you for the evening?
We're very excited.
Very excited actually, yeah.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish? What would be to you?
Of course, very important because जिस फील्ड में हम लोग हैं वहाँ पे तो डेफिनेटली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड इनफैक्ट अगर आप इस फील्ड से नहीं भी हो तब भी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
लेकिन अगर पर्सनली आपको चूज करना पड़े दोनों में से एक, whether being glamorous or being stylish, what would you personally prefer?
Stylist.
And why? What's your answer?
You start there.
I would prefer looking glamorous, and he would prefer stylish, because I think people would want to follow his style, and so that's why he wants to be stylish, and I want to look good and glamorous.
लेकिन और एक क्राइटेरिया में हम बात करें being trendy and being stylish और being trendy and being comfortable.
I would say comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah, and experimental.
What are Holi plans this year? Any Holi plans for you?
Not really.
Holy plans.
हाँ इवेंट कर
We
रहे
are dancing.
हैं we are earning money.
So wishes for the viewers.
Happy Holi. Hi, this is Debina.
Hi, this is Gurmeet Chaudhary.
Wish all the viewers a very happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Oh, namaskar.